Throw it hard. You had it. Keep going. You do it again. Throw it at the cushion. Let me see it. Throw it right there. Right there. Right there. Throw it right there. Throw it. Yeah. Quite working the right way this time.
Yeah, it worked better on the other side. Oh, there it goes.
Or maybe he had a cushion. Throw it. Yeah, there you go. Yes. There it is. That one's too far.
There you go.
Right here, Everett. Right here. Right here. Yeah.
Good throw.
Good throw, buddy. Oops. Yes, that does it. That's good. There you go. Good job. Yes. Yeah. That's good practice. Good practice for when you're a pitcher. Yeah. Good job. There you go. Good job.
Can you throw it over the pillow?
Everett, can you throw it to Mommy? Throw it to Mommy. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Yeah.
Lefty.
That was good. Yeah, throw it. There you go. Yeah. Throw it. Throw it. Throw. Yeah. That was good, buddy. One more time. You can do it. You can do it. You throw it. Mommy almost got it. Try one more time. Oh.
Here come the hiccups.
Yep. Here they come.
Okay, that's enough of playing with the ball.
Baseball.